What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the LOC-B method using the beardguard. Now, y'all probably seen me post a video, not a video, but a picture of me wearing the beardguard on Instagram. And I'm gonna say this right off the bat, it is worth the money. But my thing with the beardguard, this is not a review. My thing with the beardguard is not really meant for somebody who has like a super big beard, but you can see how it's designed. You can see the inside of it is a satin or silk, and it will help with your beard at night in terms of protecting it and keeping it, you know, so it's not looking rough in the morning, so it doesn't look like the hairs are all over the place. And plus it's gonna help keep your beard moisturized at night. So tonight I'm about to go to bed whenever time that is. I normally don't. I stay up all night watching other YouTubers videos to catch up on them. So I don't know what time I'm going to bed, but before I go to bed, what I normally do is I put in a leave-in moisturizer, beard moisturizer, and this is the Green Leaf Naturals, and I'll probably end up doing a review on this sometime in the near future. I just don't know when. This is great for your beard. It will soften your beard. Unscented beard conditioner, and it will soften your beard. It will soften it up. And what I do is I take a little bit, and you can see it's aloe. And it's 97 point, I believe it's 90, what is it? 97 point something aloe. 99.75 organic ingredients. I'm sorry. And aloe is good for your face. It's good for your skin because it's antibacterial, antifungal. Also helps with keeping moisture in your beard and on your skin as well. And I'm just gonna rub it into my beard and just let it work its magic. You can see me working it into the beard. I already washed my beard earlier. I washed it and co-washed it earlier. I didn't want to have to show y'all my whole like beard wash routine, even though I will probably do that in a future video. But what I do is I just rub it in. Just work it in, and then I take my wooden comb, pick whatever you use, comb it in. Sometimes I comb up, make my beard look crazy, but I'm telling you, this stuff will soften your beard. It makes a world of difference. It just makes it easier to manage, like manageable. It just makes your beard soft, and it's just good for your beard. And it's good for a nighttime routine, because the whole key to your nighttime routine is to keep your beard moisturized. And also your nighttime routine is really setting you up for the next day. That way in the morning, you're not having to do a whole bunch of like, you know, adding this and that and putting this in your beard, that, you know, and blow drying this and that. If you have a good nighttime routine, your morning routine should be effortless. You should just like have to like maybe touch up a little bit of oil and maybe some balm and just go on your way. You shouldn't have to do a whole bunch of stuff to your beard in the morning. But what I'm doing is I'm just working this moisturizer into the beard. And like I said, it will soften your beard. And then after that, I'm gonna let this leave-in conditioner work for a little bit, and then I'm gonna follow up with the beard oil, the Debonair beard oil, citrus blast. Probably gonna end up, like I said, doing a review on this stuff in the near future. And I'm gonna follow that up with also the beard butter. So I'm gonna let this leave-in work for a little bit. So I don't expect y'all to like be here for like you know, 30 minutes or however long this is going to take me to do this video, but I don't expect y'all to be here this long watching me. Now, the second part of the LOCB method is the oil. The oil, and you can do this with any oil that you have. You could do this with whatever you have, like in your, you know, on your beard, in your beard tool belt. And I'm using the Debonair beard oil, citrus blast, and like I said, you can do this with whatever oil that you have. And I'm gonna do maybe 3 pumps, and you can see how thick that oil is. It's got castor oil, I believe, in it. And I'm gonna rub it my hands, and I'm just gonna work it. This stuff smells awesome. It smells like, I don't know, it smells like sherbet to me. It's weird. It's citrus, but it smells like a sherbet, if that's a good description of it. It just smells like a sherbet to me. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna work that oil into your skin. Work it in there. Then after that, I'm not really worried about like styling it and doing all that, because I'm going to go to bed sometime tonight. I just don't know when. Because normally, like I said before, that I stay up kind of late catching up on everybody's videos and trying to learn different techniques and just catching up on other YouTubers' videos. So, and catch up on Instagram as well. So I'm going to have myself look crazy for a minute. Like I said, and I'm gonna let this oil do its thing. I'm gonna let it marinate in the beard and let it, you know, get soaked into the skin. So I'm gonna give it about 5 minutes. So I don't expect y'all to sit up here for 5 minutes watching this oil work its magic. And but I'm combing it in to the hair and making sure it get on the skin. But I'm gonna come back and now for the third step of the LOCB method is the beard butter. Now this is the Debonair beard butter citrus blast, and this is great for like a nighttime routine. And let that butter just work its magic. I'm not really gonna use a whole lot because it doesn't take a whole lot. And and it's exactly like a butter. You see the consistency is a whipped consistency. It's a good butter to use at night to help deep condition your beard and all that good stuff. And I worked it into my hands, and I'm just gonna work it. And butter is like completely different from like a balm because it just has more conditioning. It's more for conditioning your beard than to like sealing all that moisture. So I really don't, I mean, I use balms at night, but I mainly use them during the day just to keep my beard somewhat moisturized. But you can use them, I mean, you can use them at night if you want, if your beard is just has like a tough time like maintaining moisture. But and if you having a tough time with like moisture, like with your beard drying out in the morning, maybe you need to switch over to like trying a beard butter. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I highly recommend trying beard butters. There's a lot of them out there. You could try, you know, Debonair's is a good beard butter. There's a Uncle Donnie's beard butter as well. Detroit Grooming, Beard Octane, I can go on and on. There's a lot of good beard butters out here that you can use for your nighttime routine. And maybe it'll help with the dryness of your beard. That's if you're having that problem. But I done worked it into the beard. And now I'm going to comb it. And like I said, I'm not really one for like trying to style it at night because I ain't going nowhere. So and now I got all that stuff, all that moisture, all that goodness, all in my beard now. It's moisturized, it's soft, it's good, ready to go. And I'm going to lock in all that moisture with this bad boy, the beardguard. And this is great for like protecting your beard at night. And how it works is these straps over here, they go over your ear. So I know I'm going to hear it now. You look like Sub-Zero from Mortal Kombat. I'd already heard it from my fiance as it is. So you look like Mortal Kombat. You look like Sub-Zero from Mortal Kombat. Like, you gotta be kidding me. Like, really? She really gonna say that to me? But it is what it is. You do what you have to do to protect your beard. I don't care. She can talk all trash all she wants. But that's how it normally works. It goes over. And if you wanna, look like you robbing a bank or something like that, don't. And like I said, when I did a video on making your do-it-yourself one of these, do not go out in public with this over your face. Don't go into no Bank of America or no crap like that. Please do not do that. But how it works is you put it over your beard and you just go to sleep with it on. And I'm telling you, it'll make a world of difference for your beard. It'll make your beard easier to manage in the morning, especially if you're in a rush, and it just makes your life a little bit easier. My only thing about this is it's not really meant for someone who has a very big beard. Maybe you could get away with putting it in there, but it's really meant for someone like with a medium-sized beard, like what I got right now, or like a shorter beard. But it's not really meant for them big beards. And maybe that's something that the gentleman over that created the beardguard, maybe he has something in the works for that. I don't know, but I'm telling you, this invention is awesome. And and if you need to get like silk sheets or satin bed sheets, get them, and you can use this too. I mean, just to be better safe than sorry, as I would say. But yeah, I highly recommend this beardguard. And that's my nighttime routine. That's what I do at night. I use my leave-in, which is the aloe vera beard conditioner, and you can use whatever oil you want. I recommend using a thicker oil. That way, it gets into the skin and the beard, and it doesn't really dry out real quick. So I highly recommend Debonair. If you do not know about him, get to know him. He's making great products at his company. Corey, and you could and you do this with the leave-in beard conditioner. Whatever beard oil you have, you can use whatever beard oil, and you follow all that up with a beard butter. And the beard butter I chose to use was the Debonair, but you could use it with whatever butter that you have available. And that's the LOCB method, brought to you by beardguard. That's where I got it from, because when you order one of these, it shows you, or it tells you the instructions on how to do the LOCB method. And all it is getting aloe vera or a leave-in conditioner. And it doesn't have to be this. It could be just straight water. Just make sure that you got moisture in your beard, because we want to lock in all that moisture and keep your beard moisturized, and get a good beard oil and beard butter. Or this would be the cream in this step. So it's a 4-step process. Your leave-in, your beard oil, your beard butter, and your beardguard. And you're probably gonna get talked about because you got this beard bonnet or whatever, bonnet, whatever they want to pronounce, on your face. And we don't care about that. We care about our beard health, and we care about our beards, period. So, and I'm gonna take the necessary steps to make sure my beard is healthy. So if this is what I have to do, this is what I'm gonna do. And if you can't get one of these, get you silk sheets. Do what you have to do to protect your beard at night. But I highly recommend one of these. This is not a review for this. It's just me showing you how to use it at night or whenever. And you don't necessarily have to use this at night. You can use this when you're cooking, or just protecting your beard overall. You don't have to use. I just recommend using this at night to protect your beard. But I just wanted to show y'all the LOCB method using this. And I'm going to catch a lot of flack because I look like, if I put it over my face like this, I look like, a ninja or Sub-Zero, but I don't care. And with that, I'm going to sum up this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below, what do you do at night to protect your beard from, just you sleeping at night? Do you sleep a certain way? Do you have silk sheets? Comment down below. Like I said, I like talking to you guys. I like interacting with you guys. I just like talking to y'all, just to have conversation with y'all. But with that, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace. Cut the camera off, Sean. Let's get it. Let's get it. And my afro all over the place. It don't matter because I'm about to go to bed anyway. Rule 1 of Fight Club. We don't talk about Fight Club. Sorry, y'all. I'm just messing around with the camera. Just clowning as I normally do. But I hope y'all had a good, holiday. Good Thanksgiving. Got your grub on. Good Black Friday. Didn't fight nobody over no flat screen TV or no PS4. None of that stuff. But I really, honestly, I hope y'all had a good holiday and enjoyed y'all holidays with y'all families. And yeah, this is just me messing around with the camera. So if y'all see this at the end of the video, this is just me clowning. But hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving.